My students are grade 5. Today we'll solve weekly assessment number 13. First, choose the correct answer. Number 1, 147 and 2 tenths centimeter equivalent to meter. You must divide it by 100. Convert from centimeter to meter because 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. Then write 147 and 2 tenths divided by 100. Move the point left hand side by 2 places. 1.47 and 2. Next example, number 2. 245 and 8 tenths divided by what equal 24 and 58 hundredths. Look at the point. The point here moved left hand side by 1 place. It's meaning divided by 10. 245 and 8 tenths divided by 10. The point will move right left hand side by 1 place. It will be 24 and 58 hundredths. And the answer will be letter B, divided by 10. Next question. Find the result. We want to divide it by 30. We used algorithm, standard algorithm, to find the answer. Right, the dividend 589 and 5 tenths divided by 30. Look at with me. First step, 58 divided by 30. Let's choose a number. Write 0 and 1. 1 times 30 is 30, and then find the difference. 8 minus 0 equal 8. 5 minus 3, 2, drop 9. 289 divided by 30. What is the number nearest to? We product by 5, 150. Product by 6, 180. Product by 7. Product by what? 3 times what? This number nearest to 28. 3 times 9. Then we can product by 9. 0 times 9 0. 3 times 9 27. Find the difference. 9 minus 0 9. 8 minus 7 1. The point put out and then drop 5. 195 divided by 30. The next number will be 6. 6 times 30, 180. Okay, 3 times 6, 18. Find the difference and then drop the next digit with 0 here. 9 minus 8, 1, and then drop 0. 150 divided by 30, it will be 5. 3 times 5 is 150. And the quotient will be 19 and 65 hundredths. Okay. Next question. Find the result of 36 and 327 divided by y tenths. It's meaning product by 10. 36, 3.217. It's equivalent product by 10. Product by 10. Move the point right hand side by 1 place. It will be 363 and 27 hundredths. Next question. A car covers 36 and 4 kilometers daily. What is the cover distance by this car in 10 days? We can write the distance in 1 day was 36 and 4 kilometers. We want at 10 days. We can product by 10 to find the result. Move the point right hand side by 1 place. Write 3, 6, 2.5. Move the point right hand side by 1 place. Next question. First, choose the correct answer. Number here meter. We want to convert from meter to meter. It must divide it by 1000. 278 and a half. We will divide it by 1000 to convert from meter to kilometer. Move the point left hand side by 3 places. Write 2, 7, right point here. Okay, 0.27, 8 and 5. 2785 10 thousandths. Choose the answer here. Next example, number 2. 0.775 divided by what equals 77 and a half. Look at the point. The point moved right hand side by 2 places. Its meaning product by 100. He used the sign divided by 100ths. Divided by 100ths, then the answer will be letter D. Choose letter D. Next question. Answer the following. Find the result 230 divided by 20. 230 divided by 20. First step, we can sample divided by 2 numerator and numerator. The result will be 23 over 2. Half of 23 we can use here like this. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times 2, 2. Then find the difference. Drop 3. 3 divided by 2, 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Find the difference. Put point and 0, point up. Drop 0 again. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And the answer will be 11 and a half. So, result will be 11 and a half. Next example. Find result. It's number divided by 100ths. 1/10ths. 75 and 248 divided by 1/10ths. Its meaning product by 10. Move the point right hand side by 1 place. Write 75, 2.4 and 8. In the answer 752 and 48 hundredths. Next question. Car covers 25 and 56 hundredths kilometer daily. What is the covered distance by this car in 10 days? We can product two numbers. Right, 25 and 56 product by 10. Move the point right hand side to 5.6. Convert now from the answer at 10 days. Okay, the result will be kilometer. Next question. 1472 milliliter convert to liter. We will divide it by 1000 because 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. Divided by 1000, put the point after 3 places. Okay, 1.47 and 2. Change this sign and write point. Change this point. Okay, 1.472. Next question. 6 hundredths divided by what equals 65 and 2/10ths. Look at the point. We have 6.5 and 2 divided by what? Equals 65 and 2/10ths. Look at here. The point moved right hand side by 1 place, going here. Its meaning product by 10. Product by 10, its meaning divided by 1/10. Then the answer will be 1/10. Choose letter C. Next question. Find the result. Number divided by 50. We will use standard algorithm to find the answer. 1362 and half divided by 50. First, 136 divided 50, it will be 1 or 2. 2 times 50 is 100. Find the difference and then drop 2. 362 divided by 50, we can product by 7. Write 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Write 5 up. 5 or 7, write 7. We use 7. 7 then is 2. Find the difference between two numbers. Okay. 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 5, 1. Put the point out and then draw 5. 125 divided 50 is 2. 2 times 50, 100. Then find the difference, will be 25. Put 0 again and then drop it down. 250 divided by 50, it will be 5. Because 5 times 5, 25. Write 0. 5 times 5, 25. And the result will be 27 and 25 hundredths. Find the result. 96 and 237 divided by 1 tenths. Its meaning product by 10. Move the point right hand side by 1 place. Write the answer. 96 237 divided by 1 tenth, meaning product by 10. Write 962.37. Move the point right hand side by 1 place. Question. Car covers 46 and 4 kilometers daily. What is the cover distance in 10 days? You can product 46 and 25 hundredths product by 10. Move the point right hand side by 1 place. Write 462.5. Next question. It's last question about weekly assessment. Finished now. Number 14 finished. Okay. Next time I will explain number 15.